assalamoalikm everyone, welcome to my channel Sunrise English Academy. আজকের টপিক হচ্ছে অনার্স থার্ড ইয়ার ইংলিশ ডিপার্টমেন্টের সাবজেক্ট রেস্টোরেশন অ্যান্ড 18th সেঞ্চুরি ফিকশন এর ফাইনাল সাজেশন 2021 হেল্ড 2023। এখানে পার্ট বি অ্যান্ড পার্ট সি এর সাজেশন দেওয়া আছে। আরেকটা কথা আপনারা একটু খেয়াল করবেন, এখানে 3 স্টার দেওয়া আছে, ওই প্রশ্নগুলো একটু বেশি বেশি পড়ার চেষ্টা করবেন, আশা করি কমন পড়ার চান্স আছে। Part B. 1. Write a short note on Orinoco. 2. Why was Orinoco attracted towards Imondia? How does Orinoco fall in love with Imonda? 3. How did Orinoco plan a slave revolt? 4. How did Imonda die? 5. Why did Caesar surrender to Priam? 6. Describe the horrors of slavery presented in Orinoco. 7. How did the shipwreck happen? 8. How did Crush blind his habitual in the island? 9. Write a note on the footprint episode in Robinson Crusoe. How did Crusoe discover footprint? 10. How did Crusoe approach God for his sign of disobedience? 11. How did Crusoe become a slave from merchant? 12. How did Crusoe keep a note of his passing days on the island? 13. How did Crusoe produce corn in the desert land? 14. How did Crusoe reach England? 15. How did Tom get shelter in Olothy house? 16. How did Tom help back George's family in distress? 17. How were Tom and Sophia united in the long run? 18. How did Gulliver reach the country of Lilliputians? 19. How was Gulliver fed by the Lilliputians? 20. Who were the big Indians and little Indians? 21. What are the common features of people, animals and trees in Lilliput? 22. How did the king of Brobdingnag receive Gulliver? 23. How did Gulliver react after meeting his own family? 25. Write a short note on Part C. 1. Discuss the theme of anti-colonialism in Arthur Baines Orinoco. Give an account of the major themes of Orinoco. 2. Sketch the character of Orinoco. 3. Write a note on the theme of sin, punishment and repentance in Robinson Crusoe, spiritual regeneration of Crusoe. 4. Is Crusoe is a colonialist? Do you think Robinson Crusoe conveys economic implication? Theme of commerce. 5. Story of Robinson is a truthful representation of human life. Discuss. 6. Comment on Fielding's concept of morality and sexuality in Tom Jones. 7. Comment on the discovery of Tom's parentage at the end of the novel Tom Jones. 8. How does Swift satirize the contemporary politics of England through his voyages to Lilliput and Brobdingnag? 9. Swift was a great humanist in spirit of the being a misanthropist, substant Swift as a misanthropist. 10. Examine Swift's use of Lemuel Gulliver as a narrator and an observer.